Hey everyone, you know what? You know what we didn't do today? I bet y'all know, don't you? Yeah, y'all know. Well, we had this little sale going on, but this cat was sick, so we had to end it. And then Miss Robin got sick. What they doing? Anyway, what they both forgot to do was have a giveaway. So, here's what they're gonna do. They're gonna try to sell again on Sunday. But whatever day they end up selling again, they're gonna do 2 giveaways. Are you excited? Are you excited? Okay, well, Miss Cat's tired of holding me now, so I'm just gonna run on along and play in the garden, and we'll see y'all real soon, okay? Okay. Now give them something to talk about. Bye, y'all.